go through that. It'll assess the prompts, choose which platform. It'll help you pick the platform. And then this is the one I want to make sure we go through here. Acting as a category management expert, develop an execution strategy that includes team selection, an 8-step sourcing process, and negotiations best practices. Over here. Let's roll. Okay. This is looking pretty good. Okay. This makes sense to me. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Data analyst, legal advisor, 8-step sourcing process, define the requirement, the market analysis, supplier research, develop your sourcing strategy, which we did last week. We built an RFP that we could send out. It wasn't exactly compliant with the template because we didn't have a template to use, but we had that right there. Okay. Supplier selection and negotiations, went through there. Okay. Contract award and implementation, performance management, continuous project, negotiations, best practices, and category management, preparation and planning. Now, ensure AI generation plan includes risk mitigation, compliance tracking, and supplier relationship management strategies. Okay. Let's go through. Let this thing go again. Okay. With risk mitigation strategy. So it's starting over. And it's going to add in the risk mitigation strategy, compliance tracking, supplier relationship management. Right now we got this added the risk mitigation strategies. And then we ask the question, how can we better spend our money? How can we save more money? We do a spend analysis, starts the whole conversation. All right. So go through, integrate multiple data sources, establish a baseline, segment spend data, develop your strategies for cost reduction and process implementation. Through your spend analysis, which we're going to do, you're going to identify opportunities for cost savings, negotiate new requirements based on different strategies that we will develop, negotiate new pricing and volumes with suppliers based on volume, and adjust your budgets as appropriate. How can we spend or segment our spend by supplier, by commodity, by different categories, by a region or area, geography, again, addressable versus not addressable, and the different platforms to use. ChatGPT is a good one. We used that. I used it earlier. It came up with a great result, and we're going to try that here in a second. Gemini is another good one because Gemini can do large data sets. We don't have such a large data set, but Gemini doesn't have the limitations that the other platforms have in regards to data sets. You can actually feed them into Google Sheets, Google Drive, where you can host your data and it can feed into it and grab it and do it and work with it.